Okay, follow.
Mnyambane na ni mfanyabiashara katika mji huu. Mimi kazi yangu ni ya bodaboda. Leo hii tumeamkia hali ya usuni mkubwa sana. So kufika saa hizi, tafadhali tunahitaji usaidizi, kwa sababu hao vijana wamekuja hadi kwa mafuta ya kobil wakiwa na mapanga hadharani. Walikuja hapa, maaskari wakatoroka, wakaaja wananchi tukikimbishwa na mapanga na hao magaidi.
Ndio soko mwaka mosende speaker, Congress speaker. Anchende tego tena family na ba mindo ga iba kwanire. Number 1 ndete ko condemn egi akore kanalero igente kebesana sabarundi baito babusongo tigato sabo kwabera sabarundi bali barusi guti reflect na usama. Number 1 mutu abere abantu aba bacha kurunsi ko totamanyiti eto bwata abantu kisambuli ibere umuntu mutangani no yotabwati stage umuntu kabere no muntu tutaiti ko bwate machiko ye stage. We stand family ko teba na kero umuntu wikabwati richiko umuntu ndebwensi ogochiko toke town utabwati e code despite ya mangana ichikare itokana okwana ekarambulu lakini wikotu ale code igomine tine kero bwate code no bwate bulu. That's why I think anokona mangana akara because yegendo torate na kerokyo na mangana e code. So tatie town yeto totete na into town yete rekane next abantu bache ka benchmarking igombi yamona sabaralia sogocha.
Moses ndiye wasemanye kenana wakili ondo mo vice chairman wose omukonyi bumunyekero gasumu jito obosongo Kisii municipality. Lero igon committee yake because since we were elected we started for this leadership to move for the order same municipality ya Kisii. I'm still wondering until today bakaliringi within a spread based government, but there's some politicians where at sides bagenda the queen side abana boda boda chipikipi. Ekero tuachore tuturai. We as human being tuabere to gukora mekutano with our riders within a municipality. Tuakore mekutano na barai bechi sub county chonsi. We have 9 sub counties in Kisii county. Tokamenda Kisii municipality kaba a sub county ya namba, so we have 10 sub counties within the municipalities. Last round siasa ya betenga ya simio whatever and or even to be abe. But the two is arranged with the readers was based upon and we agree. Tokachora chikala chechi reflector. We as the municipality we selected proof. Ata sub counties Zimbabwe watachi reflector chabo chikara chiabo. Lakini as a municipality into as readers, we decided to let us start because it is a capital city ya Kisii County. Tikato chake so tati ngente kebe open aligo chisi. Lakini kia oncho irukia bere siasa. Indiri kantu as Boda Boda as within the Kisii County was a Kisii municipality. Tora kolege ntekia abantu bande from other counties. Bachiche gose from other outside of Kenya. Bachi benchmarking egento togo kora. Ngotoretere nonye pazi atonyeroke no haji ya Boda Boda within the municipality ra konya bana Boda Boda beto sotata tenga ki you are a good politician now, you are helping us. Inja just a request abana ba minto totike ko tumekwa we Boda Bodas tuache kutumiwa vibaya. At the end of the day watu wanaumia. At the end of the day ebinto bya koreka ne bikori. At the end of the day omorembo sareka abantu bare ko kore biashara binde byasinyakire gento gyateno. So please tubuaterane amachingo omogende onde bwensi oranda osipi tubuaterane tochichamo to focus as a development negento tubangete buna bana Boda Boda ba Kisii municipality ko sebono. Lastly incheno morembengo sabase municipality yaito I need peace. Abantu bachichamo tubuaterane if there's a problem somewhere kamu toisaranza we solve not a fight.
Abantu mbale babiri bakoibera abantu ototete ko make sure regime ye yo mosque abas make sure ya etete ko make sure na oboyibi bwasirire ti customer chite chikolera twakorere chikesi muna lero igarero mami ntwakore case kya mabuta panoni omuntu ogenda mabuta panoni obekerwa mabuta taka ne tyogenda good lucky CCTV yale ngo ya mubwate code muna akogenda reflect abege tobuya yabwate code ya manage twa report kumuna barai twabwate omuntu twamanyora igonki minute goteba muntu bwate bongo buya nando tete gokore gasi ya Boda Boda tago kana gentege twachakire ko implement egentege togokora etogokora nelichikoria national government national government igegoteba tubeka amabati abera ase epikipiki erimo ribe motu erinde ribe maega, lakini intu twachakire erimo abantu bari abaibi mbatageti tobeke nariko ba warning andonsia semole onya gokore gasi ya boda boda goikobwati richiko rie municipality onya goteta okore guitini municipality Kisii iga goikobwati richiko eketari kende togoteba na tafadhali lazima ufuate sheria ndio tufanye biashara.